What is subrogation in a motor vehicle accident personal injury claim? Well, subrogation almost always applies to which insurance company will pay for the property damage for the injured victim's motor vehicle. What happens is this: if an injured victim gets into a motor vehicle accident at no fault of their own, and the at-fault driver has their own insurance company, what usually happens is that the victim's own insurance company will initially pay for the property damage repairs and any rental car expenses. Then the injured victim's own insurance company will engage in subrogation. The insurance company will then go after the at-fault driver's insurance company and attempt to recover any money that the insurance company paid for property damage repairs and any rental car. This is very common, and it's a good thing for injured victims because their own insurance company will initially take care of them, make them whole, and pay for the property damage and rental car expenses they need to get back to where they were before the accident happened. And then the insurance companies will deal with it without the injured victim being affected at all. If you have any questions regarding how an injured victim can bring a motor vehicle accident personal injury claim in the state of Maryland, feel free to call me. I do this every single day, and I'd love to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.